Hi everybody, I made Mongolian beef. It came out super delicious. Let me show you how I made it. So right here I have a bowl and I'm going to add some hoisin sauce. This is soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, and water. I'm going to add some salt and pepper, just a little bit, and then I'm going to give it a stir and put it off to the side. We'll use it later. Now here's another bowl and I'm adding some cornstarch. Now this is salt, pepper, and baking soda. And I'm going to mix that in. Now here's some beef. I sliced it into really thin slices. And I'm adding it to the cornstarch. Make sure you shake it. You just want a light coating of the cornstarch. Then I'm putting all my beef pieces off to the side on a plate. In a big frying pan, I'm adding some oil. I'm going to start adding my beef pieces, and I'm going to fry each of my pieces about 3 minutes on each side. I just want them to get slightly toasted. Now I have a plate that's lined with a paper towel, and I'm just going to put them off to the side like this. In the same pan, and there should still be some oil, I'm going to add some minced garlic and ginger. And I'm going to cook them for about a minute. Just get them a little toasted. Now I chose to add some chili flakes. That is optional, but I think it gives it a nice zip. And then I brought in my beef. And now I'm going to mix it all together with the garlic and the ginger. Make sure it gets distributed everywhere. And now I'm bringing back my sauce, the one I made earlier. Okay, now I'm going to bring this up to a bubble. Make sure everything gets nice and incorporated. And then I brought in some green onion and I cooked it for about another minute just so that the onion could get a little more softened. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make a delicious Mongolian beef. I made some steamed rice as a side dish and it came out delicious. Thanks for watching.